This time on Low Boost, we make some more progress on our 1953 Ford F100 pickup truck. Hey guys, I'm always doing everything I can to try to improve the quality of the videos that we put out. So I got some new tools to help me do that. I'm using a Zhiyun Crane 2 gimbal. It's really helping things out, make things a little easier to work with and smoother for you guys. So I'm gonna put a link in the description for that as well, and enjoy the video. Shop's coming along. There's the hood. You see our project here. There's a LQ4 6-liter that's going to go on our 1970 Chevy Camaro. And here's our pickup truck, 1953 Ford F100. It's got a straight 6 in it right now. Let's get working on this thing.
Started to do some electrical work today, and with the assistance, we called up my nephew Alan. So from here, wiring harness that's in it is the original to the truck and is 50% freight. So 100% of it's going to have to be replaced. We're going to end up with just an easy harness. We're going to build all the circuits that we need for this, which really isn't much. You got a radio, heater, ignition, and that's pretty much it. All right, see if we can get her to fire up. Give this a try. Purrs like a kid. Not bad. We don't even know how long it's been since this thing's been running. All we did is got the wiring hooked up with a new battery in and fired right up.
Why? That was loud.
Everything looks good so far. Second. Third.
Nice.
Neutral still spins, but that's because the truck's not on the ground.
So the back of these trucks actually came in a whole bunch of pieces. You got the side here, the back, you got the rear fenders, these are the front fenders. So we're just gonna kind of piece it and put it back together. Garage, sometimes you gotta do unconventional ways of fixing things. You got a little bow here, use the hammer. We're gonna use good old-fashioned Mother Nature. Is that working? Looks like it. No? Alright, let me try. So I guess these old trucks actually, you take wood and put them on the bed and that's your bed. So if you guys have any ideas of what type of wood we should use or what we should use for the bed there, let us know.
that.
So my dad's kind of in the middle of a problem here. I think we should just barely touch this thing. Let it be kind of like a rat rod. Just send it as it is. It'll look awesome driving around. He kind of wants to sand it all down and prime it and paint it, and while that'll look great, especially for resale, I kind of like the rat rod look. Let me know what you guys think. Also, make sure you subscribe, stay up to date on all my uploads. Not only are we doing this pickup truck, we got a 1970 Camaro that we're gonna LS swap with the T56. I have a BMW E36 with a turbo LS swap. I also have a BMW M235 that I do a lot of work on, I take to the track. So make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next one.